So hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So in this video, we're gonna show you how to set a visibility range for labels and layers in ArcGIS Online. So now let's get started. So to set a visibility range for the labels and layers in ArcGIS Online, for example, if I zoom out, so everything kind of overlaps with each other. So let's go ahead and address this issue using the scale option. So which can be addressed using the scale dependent setting. So for example, we can set the visibility range for this layer. So let me navigate this option called layers. So in the layer section, we have three different layers here, starting with the sketch and the US current wildfire and the US county boundary layer file. So this set visibility range tool is kind of useful, especially if you're trying to show a small scale. Let's say you're looking at the entire country for one particular thing here. So, for example, if you're looking at the entire country for one particular thing as the result of your analysis, and you need to zoom in to show the specific details that a particular county or a location, like being able to control what layer to show. So like what layer to show up for a particular scale is kind of useful. So for example, if in case I want to show this category 1, category 3 and category 4 buffer to be shown at a particular scale, then the set visibility tool is kind of useful to show those particular buffer at that particular scale. So in that case is particularly very useful. So first, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set the visibility. So we're gonna fix this particular position. So the buffer should be shown only at this particular scale here. So for that, I'm gonna navigate the layers. So I'm gonna right click on these three buttons. I'm gonna left click on these three buttons, and I'm gonna click this option called Show Properties. And inside here, let me go down here. So we have this tool called Visibility Range. So we can able to see this particular and the triangle here, which shows us the current visibility range here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna adjust this particular slide. So now we can able to see the buffers are not visible. So you can able to see now the buffers are visible. So we're gonna fix at this range, at this visible range, at this scale, the buffer should be visible. So now I have set it. So that is you can able to see here. So now we're gonna zoom in. It's gonna be visible. Let me show you that. So now we can able to see just this particular category is now in this visible in this range. And if I'm gonna zoom out here, it's not gonna visible here. So you can able to see that. So similarly, so we can do it for the wildfire too here. So for example, I'm gonna navigate this layer. I'm gonna click this option, and I'm gonna select Show Properties, and I'm gonna bring down the slider down. So we're gonna adjust the slider. So this is the current triangle which shows the current visibility. Gonna adjust the slider. So now we're gonna zoom in. So now the wildfire is not visible. When I zoom in, it's gonna be visible now. So likewise, you're gonna adjust accordingly. So for example, I'm gonna zoom out here, and I'm gonna set this particular value at, and if I'm gonna zoom in, it's gonna be visible, and if I'm gonna zoom out, it's not gonna be visible. So in this way, you can set the visibility range for labels and layers. And last, you can also set it for another layer called our US county boundary layer. So you're going to click this button, and I'm going to click this option called Show Properties. So we can also do it this visibility. You can set the visibility range even for the labels. So right now we selected the US county boundary layer. So we're going to navigate to this label section here, and I'm going to click this labels, and I'm going to click select this option called Enable Label. So now you can able to see the names as kind of overlapping with each other. So we're going to set some visibility range for them. So we're going to turn off other layers here. I'm going to click this option to turn this off, and I'm going to set the visibility range. So I'm going to set the visibility range at this level. So now we're going to adjust the slider. So you can able to see that. So now it is visible. And once I zoom out here, it's not going to be visible. So now the labels is not kind of overlapping with each other. So now the labels is not visible. So if I'm going to zoom in, so the label is going to be visible here. So you can able to see that. So if I'm gonna zoom out, the labels are not going to be visible. So you can able to see that. And this is how you can use your set visibility tool for labels and layers in ArcGIS Online. So thanks for watching, and make sure that you subscribe to our channel and give us a like.